Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your online session for maths class for today. Now today we are going to revise our unit 6, that is in your unit test syllabus, and now today we are going to revise our review exercise, that is on page number 96. So in this exercise, first of all, we are going to cover question number 1, and the question says convert the following fractions into decimal numbers. Okay, now I just hope some of you can already can solve these kind of sums in which we need to just convert the fractional form to decimal form, but again we are revising it. So how we are going to solve it? First of all, this is the fraction that is given to us in the question, and the first step is to just count the number of zeros that we have in denominator. So how many zeros we have over here? We have two zeros over here, right? And what is the rule to convert it to decimal form? The number of zeros that we have in denominator, beginning from right hand side in this number, first of all what we can do, just write down the number 271. Okay, then how many zeros are there? Two zeros. So beginning from right hand side, after two digits we will place decimal. So this is how we have converted the number or the fraction into decimal form. Similarly, we will do it in B part. The number that is or the fraction that is given to us is 115 upon 10. How many zeros we have in denominator? Only one. So it means just first of all write down the number, and after one digit place decimal. So our answer will become 11.5. Okay. Now moving on to next question. Our next question is add 13.68, 11.27 and 19.5. So how we are going to do it? Let us see. Yes, first of all students, what we'll do, we will arrange these numbers. And what is the rule to arrange such numbers which are having decimals? I have already told you in class time also. First of all, put the decimal. Actually, this is how we can arrange it correctly and we won't make any mistake. Okay, take this first number. It is 13.68, right? Then we have 11.275. So write down 11 before decimal, and after decimal write 2, 7 and 5. The next number we have is 19.5. So write down 1, 9 over here and point and then 5. Right? We have arranged it. Now we can see we have blank space over here. So let's write 0 here and here and here as well. Right? Now put plus sign. Then let us add it up. 0 plus 5 plus 0 will give us 5. Then 7 plus 8, 15. Write down 5 over here and 1 in carry. Then 6 plus 2 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 15. Okay. 9 plus 5 is 14. Sorry. 6 plus 2, 8. Plus 1, 9. Plus 5, 14. 4 over here and 1 in carry again. Now see, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Plus 1, 14. 1 is again in carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 4. Now students, is this the correct answer? Have you guessed whether it's like correct or incorrect? If your answer is like incorrect, then yes, your answer is right, because this answer is not correct as I have not placed decimal over here. So just to make sure, or just to ensure whether your answer is correct or not, we have to cross check it and make sure that decimal also has to be there, and then just revise it once again before submitting your answer in your test. Okay, make sure that you cross check all your answers, just revise everything, and then only click on submit button, so that your answer would be submitted correctly. Okay, now we will move on to next question, and our next question is subtract 19.84 from 43.28. Now the main thing over here is we can see a word from, and it means this second number we will write on top, and this first number we will write below it. And I am explaining it once again because I saw, or I have observed, many students make mistake in such questions. They just get confused whether to write this number on top or this number on top. So make sure that you write this number on top and this one below it. Let us arrange it now. Place decimal, then 43.28, then 19.84. Now we have arranged it correctly. Put minus sign and let us start subtracting it. 4 subtracted from 8 will give us 4. Now can I subtract 8 from 2? No, not possible. So what we are going to do, we'll take one borrow. We'll take one borrow from this number, so it will become 12 and it will be left with 2. Okay, now 8 subtracted from 12 will give us 4 again. Next, what we need to do? Place decimal. Then see, I cannot subtract 9 from 2. So again what I need to do? I need to take one borrow again from this number. So it will be left like with 3 over here. Now 9 subtracted from 12 will give us 3. And then 1 subtracted from 3 will give us 2. Okay, so this is how we have done it. Now we'll move on to next question, and our next question is find the product. In this question we will find the product of different numbers. Okay, so let us get started. Now see, 2.451 into 100, right? What we need to do, I have explained it during class time also. Again I am telling you, just remove this decimal sign while multiplying it, because it will create confusion for you all to multiply with the decimal sign. Okay, so see, I have placed decimal over here, but while multiplying it I will remove it. I'll just consider that decimal is not here. Okay, now I can easily multiply. 1 0 are 0, 5 0 are 0, 0 0, again 0 0 0 0. Now 1 ones are 1, then 5, then 4, then 2, and our last step is to just add it, so it will become 2 4 5 1 0. Okay, now this is not our answer. One more step we need to do. Write down the digits over here, 2 4 5 1 0. Now count in the question, after how many digits we had decimal? 3. So in our answer also 1 2 3. After 3 digits we will place decimal. Okay, so this is our final answer. Got it? Let us do this one now. 4 3 6 into 12. Now over here what have I done is I have removed decimal right away. Okay, then in our answer section we will place decimal. 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 4 2s are 8, then 6 1s are 6. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. Just add it. 2, 6 plus 7 will become 13. 1 will again go in carry. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. 1 will again go in carry. 4 plus 1, 5. Now see, this is our answer that we have obtained after multiplying these two numbers. Now our next step is to just place decimal after 3 digits beginning from right hand side. So beginning from right hand side, after 3 digits we will place decimal. This is our answer. Okay. Now see students, we have two more parts of this question. This B part you all will try to do it by yourself, okay? And this one I am doing it just to show it to you like how to multiply three numbers. So in multiplication we cannot multiply three numbers all together, right? So what we need to do, we will multiply two numbers at a time, okay? First of all we'll multiply two numbers, then whatever answer we will obtain, in that answer we will multiply, that answer will multiply with this number, right? So let us just multiply it directly, then later on we will place decimal. 6 fours are 24. Out of 24, 4 I have written here and 2 will go in carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 2, 38. Now see, in this number after one digit we have decimal, and in this number also after one digit we have decimal. So it means altogether after two digits we need to place decimal. Okay, beginning from this side after two digits we will place decimal over here. Now we need to multiply with this number, we will multiply this one. Again removing decimal we will multiply it. Okay, 7 nines are 63. 3 over here, 6 in carry. 7 eights are 56, and in that 56 we will add this 6. So we will get 56 plus 6, 62. Again 2 we will write here and 6 again will go in carry, and 7 threes are 21 plus 6, 27. Okay, put this multiplication sign. Then 9 twos are 18. 1 is again in carry. 8 twos are 16 plus 1, 17. Again in carry. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Now let us add it. 3, 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 7, 15. Again in carry. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So it means our final answer is 10503. Now we need to place decimals. After two digits we had decimal over here, and then again after one digit over here. So it means as a whole we have to place decimal after three digits. Beginning from right hand side towards left hand side, after three digits we will place decimal. Okay, so this is how we can do any multiple decimal numbers like this. Okay, first of all multiply two numbers, then answer, and then multiply third number as well. And it is always advisable to just put decimals at last, okay, so that we won't get confused. Now we will again begin with the addition and like just few more questions, okay, that are there in assignment section of page number 99. Okay, yes, so these are the sums students. These sums are given on page number 99. Question number 5, solve. Okay, I have also given these sums in your revision part. Now we will just revise it. Question number A, like A part is of addition. So what we need to do, again we just need to arrange them vertically. 8 1 9, put a decimal, then 6 3, then 72.6, 696. Okay, put plus sign, and as we can see this place is empty, so we'll put 0 over here. Okay, now as we have arranged it, we just need to add it. Okay, so this is how I have arranged it. Please solve it by yourself in your rough notebooks. Okay, then B part, this is the question. 243.17, then 219.72. So this is how we have arranged it correctly. Now our next step is just to subtract it. So this part again you all will do it by yourself. Okay, then this one, multiplication, 148.2. Okay, and we need to multiply it with 3.42. What we'll do, we'll just remove this decimal, don't consider that decimal is over here. Okay, then simply multiply it. And the question over here is, after how many digits in the answer we will place decimal. After 2 digits we have decimal over here, and over here we have after 1 digit. So altogether it has become 3 digits. 2 over here and 1 over here, it has become 3 digits. So it means after 3 digits, whatever answer we will obtain, we will place decimal after 3 digits. Okay, so this is how you all can do these sums in your test. And if you have any query or any doubt, feel free to ask it from me anytime. Okay, we still have 2 days, so in those 2 days you can just practice for your test and you can just clarify your doubts. And in your test also, please make sure to solve the given sums in the test in your rough notebooks. Okay, cross check it again and then tick the correct answer in your test. Okay, in your Google form, and then you can submit it. That is all for today, students. Please make sure to revise unit 6, okay, for your test nicely and properly. Have a good day, students. Take care.